Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check Honda Civic engine oil. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat, level surface. This ensures an accurate reading. Next, run the engine until it's warm, then turn it off completely. Give the oil about 5 to 10 minutes to drain back into the oil pan. This waiting period is crucial for getting a precise measurement of your oil level. Now, open your Honda Civic's hood. You'll be looking for the engine oil dipstick, which is usually marked with a bright color like orange or yellow for easy identification. Carefully pull the dipstick all the way out of its tube. Take a clean, lint-free cloth or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick. This step is essential for an accurate first reading. Once the dipstick is clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait a moment, then pull it out again. Now, observe the oil level on the dipstick. There are typically two marks, often dots or lines, indicating the minimum and maximum oil levels. Your oil should fall somewhere between these two marks for optimal engine health. If your oil level is below the minimum mark, you'll need to add more. Pour in a small amount of the correct type of engine oil, then recheck the level. Repeat this process until the oil is within the recommended range. Remember to consult your owner's manual for the specific oil type and capacity for your Honda Civic. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Regular oil checks are vital for engine longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.